अपने सफर पर। एक नन्हा सा मुसाफिर निकला अपना सफर पर, छोड़ आंगन का सहारा, मन में लिए उत्सुकता का घर। छोड़ आंगन का सहारा, मन में लिए उत्सुकता का घर। पापा की उंगली थामे, कदम धीरे धीरे से बढ़ाता। पापा की उंगली थामे, कदम धीरे धीरे से बढ़ाता। हर चीज अनोखी लगती, हर पल नया रंग चढ़ता। नजरों से दूर, घर से सुरक्षित द्वार, माथे पर माँ का आशीष और अदम्य उत्साह भरपूर। नया बैग, नई किताब, शुरू हुआ ये सफर। स्कूल में मिलेंगे दोस्तों से, सीखेंगे हंसकर। डर को छोड़, आगे बढ़, खुशियों की ले उड़ान। नन्हा सा ये मुसाफिर आज बनाएगा अपनी पहचान।
A very warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Nidhi Kaur, Headmistress of Amicus Pre-Primary Section, Principal Trustee Ramesh Ma'am, Campus Director Prakash Sir, CBSE Principal Reena Ma'am, Higher Secondary Principal Nivedita Ma'am, Pre-Primary Section Headmistress Subi Ma'am, Senior Teacher Saroj Ma'am, Vice Principal Sunita Ma'am, teachers and our dear parents. Today, I, Parul Parmar,
I, Rashmika Chauhan, warmly welcome you all to the happy 100 days completion of our nursery kids.
हर बच्चे ने अपनी मेहनत और जिज्ञासा से इस पूरे वातावरण को महका दिया है। किसी ने रंगों को पहचाना, किसी ने अक्षरों से दोस्ती की, तो किसी ने मधुर मुस्कान और अपनी शरारती अदाओं से हर पल खुशी की। यह छोटी सी अवधि उनकी प्रारंभिक सफलता और तेज विकास का प्रतीक है।
Our program Happy Fit is built around a wonderful theme, metamorphosis. It symbolizes growth and transformation, just like a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. In these 100 days, our little ones have blossomed in the same magical way. Today, we celebrate their wonderful journey of learning and change.
આજે આપણી પ્રાર્થનાનું કેન્દ્રબિંદુ આપણા નમણા ફૂલડા, આપણા વહાલા બાળકો છે. તેમની નાની આંખોમાં વિશાળ સપના છે અને તેમના મનમાં અપાર ક્ષમતાઓ છે.
તો આવો આપણે બધા સાથે મળીને આ બાળકોને આશીર્વાદ અને પ્રેમ આપીએ અને આ આપણા ફૂલડા સતત વિકસિત થતા રહે અને આ જગતને તેમની સુગંધથી મહેકાવે. તો ચાલો પ્રાર્થના માટે તૈયાર.
Now to introduce our honorable chief guest, Mrs. Nidhi Kaur, I invite Mrs. Supriya Srivastav, class teacher of UKG PCB.
To our respected guests, Mrs. Nidhi Kaur, dignitary present, teachers and my dear parents. Today I feel extremely privileged to introduce someone whose journey is not just impressive but truly inspiring. Mrs. Nidhi Kaur, a woman of strength, dedication and unwavering passion. Nidhi ma'am stands as a beautiful example how knowledge, humanity and commitment can shape many lives. With a strong academic background in biotechnology and qualification like GET, CTET, B.Ed and early childhood education. Ma'am has always believed in growing, learning and becoming a better every day. But what makes her extraordinary is not just a degree or achievement. It is her heart for teaching and her ability to touch lives. For almost a decade, ma'am has been nurturing young minds, whether in classroom, in lab, or through personal guidance at home. She has taught science not as a subject, but as a way of thinking, with curiosity, discipline, and wonder. Her experience span advanced laboratory skill, research guidance, national level seminar, and specialized training, yet ma'am carries her knowledge with remarkable grace and simplicity. Today, as the Central Head of Amicus International Preschool, Bharuch, Nidhi Kaur ma'am continues to lead with warmth, compassion, and deep understanding of how every child learns differently. Under her guidance, learning becomes joyful, meaningful, and full of possibility. But beyond her profession, ma'am is a person of many colors. A love of music and dance, a curious enthusiastic, a sports player, a volunteer who has served communities and participated in a cause that brings hope to others. Her journey reminds us that success is not measured by your position or title, but by the lives we touch, the value we uphold. So please join me in giving warm, heartfelt welcome to a remarkable educator and passionate biotechnologist and truly inspiring human being. So, do the honor, I welcome CBSE Principal Reena ma'am and the Pre-Primary Health Mr. Subhi ma'am. So, please ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am.
Now, I request Pre-Primary Head Mr. Subhi ma'am for welcome speech.
Good morning, respected Campus Director Prakash sir, CBSE Principal Reena ma'am, Principal Trustee Ramesh ma'am, High Secondary Coordinator Nivedita ma'am, Vice Principal of CBSE Section Sunita ma'am, CBSE Principal Reena ma'am, and all my dear parents. Very good morning, rather good afternoon, and a warm welcome to all of you. Today's gathering is quite special. I wish that I could take you back to that very day when you left your kid at the school for the first time. पहली बार जब अपने बच्चे को छोड़ा था, क्या वो पल हम याद कर सकते हैं? आपको याद होगा, काफ़ी बच्चा रो रहा था और आपके अंदर भी हिचकिचाहट थी कि नहीं छोड़ना है, मैं घर लेके जाऊंगी. My child is crying. My child will cry over here. All these things were there in your mind, but by and slowly now you could find that children are quite getting confident. You could find that children have found their way. They do know that this is my class, she is my class teacher, and I need to follow her. You could find tears in their eyes whenever we do call them on the days when they're normally not coming, especially today, Saturday. Saturday is a holiday for them. So you could find that there are a bit of hesitation for the kids, that they're not interested to come to school because they do have a holiday. But I think today was a big day for you, for parents especially. मेरे बच्चे को पहली बार स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करते हुए देखना है, पर आपके बच्चे को ये पता नहीं कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, पर उनको ये पता है कि हम कुछ तो कर रहे हैं, कुछ तो एम्बियंस बना है, कुछ तो सब लोग कुछ देख रहे हैं. The kids are not knowing, but one fine day when they will watch these photographs and videos, they would smile at themselves and say, "Oh, this is me." Unbelievable. I think we all felt the same when we were all small kids, correct? So as and when time is passing, you could find the changes in the child. I was having a lot of questions regarding the theme of this particular program, metamorphosis. हम सोच रहे थे काफ़ी कि क्या रखना चाहिए, फिर हमको लगा कि बच्चा जब स्कूल आया था काफ़ी रो रहा था, धीरे धीरे उसके अंदर एक अलग ही एक एनर्जी देखा, एक अलग ही तरीके का पढ़ने की इच्छा देखी, सब चीज़ों को पहचानने की इच्छा देखी. So we thought about the very change that they have seen, and ultimately let the growth be their celebration, the 100-day completion of this beautiful journey of theirs. I wish to show you one small video and then I'll talk further. Ma'am, please. You may have already watched this video.
कहानी सुनाओ ना जिससे मुझे नींद आ जाएगी।
कहानी सुनाओ। देख एक शेर था, उसके अंदर ना बहुत बड़ा जंगल रहता था।
पापा शेर के अंदर जंगल नहीं, जंगल के अंदर शेर।
अच्छा, जंगल के अंदर शेर रहता है। अच्छा, तो फिर है ना जंगल एक दिन शिकार पे निकला।
पापा जंगल शिकार पे नहीं निकला, शेर शिकार पे निकला।
अच्छा हाँ, वही तो बोला मैंने।
पापा हमने ये नहीं बोला, हमने ये बोला एक जंगल शिकार पे गया।
अच्छा ठीक है, शेर है ना शिकार पे निकला, तो सामने ना एक बहुत बड़ा एलिफेंट आया था, ठीक है, उसकी ना बहुत लंबी गर्दन थी, तो उसने देख लिया शेर को।
पापा जी पापा एलिफेंट की लंबी गर्दन नहीं होती, जिराफ की होती है। छोड़ो जाके कहानी नहीं सुननी, आपको जानवरों के बारे में पता ही नहीं है पापा, मैं तो खुद सो जाऊंगी बिना कहानी के।
अरे रुक जा।
Passing, I could find that this curiosity in our kids. हम उनको उल्लू नहीं बना सकते। हमारे ज़माने में हमारी दादी नानियाँ स्टोरी सुनाते थे, चुप करके सुन ले, हम सुन लेते थे। राजा घोड़े पे सवार था, सवारी करते करते जाते थे, और आजकल के बच्चों को अगर राजा के बारे में बोलेंगे, मम्मी समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग प्लीज, चेंज इट। Why those old stories that you always used to hear? And ultimately आप कुछ नया स्टोरी लेके आ रहे हैं। Now came a trend. मेरे पास स्टोरीज नहीं है बेटा, मोबाइल ले ले, इसमें स्टोरीज काफ़ी है, पकड़ लो। And ultimately children hold the mobile phone and sleep. So are we doing a correct thing? No. We are finding a way to our problems. हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, हमें स्टोरी नहीं आती है, we don't have time to deliver a beautiful story to our kid, and ultimately what is it happening? We are giving a mobile phone, and ultimately by and slowly these kids, without going to any school of mobile phones, they do know everything to be operated. So how genius they are, correct? Very genius. So as and when time passes, we are making them more and more addicted to many of such easy available things. What we parents are also doing the same thing. Easy availability check कर रहे हैं, कहाँ से कहाँ जल्दी मिल जाए. So my dear parents, a humble request, your kids are observing you. They are going to follow you. Whatever you do, they will follow. Whatever you say, they accept. So see to it, whatever you feed into their mind, whatever you give to them should be a healthy food, wherein they will think, they get nourished and find their own wings. And let the child grow in the presence of both the parents, getting a lot of nourishment from a proper family. So I believe you all are going to promise me this very thing, that your child is going to be guarded, taken care in a proper way, wherein we teachers can also be a part of this particular journey of yours and help you in making your child the best in the world they could see themselves to be. Thank you, and once again, welcome to you all. And one more humble request during the dispersal time. I do know that you're very excited to take your kids and go home, but do keep patience. The kids will be going to their respective classrooms, and you will have to go to the respective classroom to fetch your children from there. So see to it that do not rush. If you're going to go in a crowd, they are going to be scared. So one by one, peacefully will go down. Your kids will be quite safe with the teacher. So see to it that you maintain the proper decor. Thank you.
कई उम्मीदें, कई सपने, कई चाहे, नई चाहते, नई पहचान, तो आइए इन पहचानों को नई उड़ान दें। So get ready to witness a heartwarming act full of innocence, smile and inspiration.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरी भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरी भोली सी आशा। महक जाऊं आज तारे से, फूल बगिया में महके हैं जैसे, बादलों की मैं झूम जाऊं मैं मन की वादियाँ, अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरी भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरी भोली सी आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा।
Wow!
हर चेहरा यहाँ एक कहानी कहता है, हर आँख में एक अनोखा सपना रहता है। इन्हें छोटा मत समझना है दुनिया वालों, क्योंकि हर बच्चा जमीन पर एक सितारा होता है।
So let's put our hands together to welcome nursery A CBSE students.
Each child shine like a superstar. हम स्कूल में आए, एक उम्मीद जगी, दिल में हमारे जोश भरा, शुरू करने नया कारवा अब ठान लिया है हमने।
Our kids are ready to show their smile and energy.
तो ये फलक मगनूर
Have done a mind-blowing performance, isn't it? Give a big clap one more time.
सब चुप, बिल्कुल चुप। सुन रहे हैं आप? कुछ सुनाई दे रहा है?
हाँ हाँ, सुनाई दे रहा है, दूर से, बड़ी दूर से। टन 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 टन। अरे ये तो स्कूल की घंटी बजी है।
अरे बाप रे, घंटी बज गई, लेट हो जाएंगे। जल्दी जल्दी बैग उठाओ, जूते पहनो, टिफिन मत भूलना। चलो चलो चलो, स्कूल चले हम।
चले
क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
तालियां क्यों बंद कर दी?
गाना खत्म नहीं हुआ है अभी।
जी हाँ, ये हमारे नन्हे बच्चे जो कुछ बोल रहे हैं
उन पर हम सोचे, क्या हम उन्हें रोक रहे हैं? क्या हम उन्हें टोक रहे हैं? अरे वाओ, नर्सरी ए जीएससीटी के बच्चों ने तो हमारे कान पकड़ा दी। अब हम उन्हें रोकेंगे नहीं, टोकेंगे नहीं, बढ़ने देंगे।
हर बच्चे के दिल में एक छोटा सा सपना छुपा रहता है। कोई डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है तो कोई टीचर, कोई डांसर तो कोई सिंगर, और यही सपने उनकी जिंदगी को रोशन करते हैं। तो चलिए तालियों के साथ हम बुलाते हैं हमारे नर्सरी ए सीबीएसई को।
Thank you.
I would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Nidhi Kaur, for an introductory address. Please, ma'am.
Please, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Prakash sir, Parvesh ma'am, Leena ma'am, Sunita ma'am, Nivedita ma'am, and Subi ma'am, and all my teachers. They are all my friends. They are all my mentors, And respected dear parents, teachers, and our little munchkins. So today it's a very happy day for me. Like I can be a part of this program, Happy Week. Like celebrating joyful 100 days of this learning in nursery. This is not just a milestone for them, but it's a celebration of their laughter, the words they have learned, new words they spoke, they overcome the fears, and they become a confident, like you have seen. Some are very happy, but initially, like Subi ma'am was saying, पहले क्या था on the very first day, what was happening? Like they are holding their parents' hand very tightly and they don't want to come also. Some are very feeling shy, some are having tears in their eyes, but day by day what happens? They become, like they adapt this school family, they become the Amity family, and they become confident and joyful kids. Now the theme is metamorphosis. I think it's a very suitable theme for this program. Like a caterpillar, it transforms into a butterfly. In the same way, these all children, they went through their beautiful journey and they come into a very bright child. And now, first of all, I thanks to dear parents, and I appreciate that you have a trust, you have trust in this school, and your support, your guidance, your love with the teachers, and now they are coming into very confident children. The dedication of teachers, like it's hats off to the teachers, for the especially pre-primary teachers. हम बोलते हैं like कि pre-primary teacher हाँ हम पढ़ा लेंगे, but it's not possible for everyone to teach. क्योंकि pre-primary teachers, like if we observe, मैंने कॉलेज में भी पढ़ाया है, स्कूल्स में भी पढ़ाया है, and now I am as a center head in the Amicus. So I observed that जो ये वाले teachers होते हैं ना, they have the compassion, they have the love for this. कितना उनका patience होता है, बड़ों को तो हम डांट दें, छोटों को डांटेंगे तो उनको समझ भी नहीं आना why they are scolding us. So the dedication of the teachers, that is up to the mark. तो ये बहुत कम teachers ही कर सकते हैं. Those have the true love for the kids. But I just want, this is not possible without the collaboration of parents and teachers. We are making them growing. We are the backbone. Parents and teachers are the backbone of early learning. And for this, the values should be imbibed in them. Because without the value, it could be a successful person, but it could not be a human, we can say. So first is the kindness. Like if we are giving a gentle pat on the child, and a warm hug given by the parents, or the help given by his friend, कुछ क्रेयॉन गिरा और किसी ने पिक करके उसको दिया, तो what they learn कि हाँ हमें एक दूसरे की हेल्प करनी है. They get the compassion for each other. Second, sharing. Like हम शुरू से सिखाते हैं बच्चों को sharing is caring. But nowadays we have the nuclear families, and we see the concentration and everything. They don't know, I think, what we can share, because we have a single child. Usually some parents have. अभी उनको the school is, I think, first place where they learn, like we have to share colors, we have to share things, and especially attention of the teacher. Because घर में तो क्या होता है, full attention मिलती है, बच्चा आपको ये चाहिए, ओके मैं ला कर देती हूँ. पर स्कूल में क्या है, like teachers are there handling 20 to 25 kids at a time, तो उनको they understand कि हाँ हमें sharing सीखनी है. And what they learn, that happiness grows not always when we receive, but when we give something to others, that also grows happiness. Third is, I think, respect. And it's a value
which ties us all together. Respect for parents, respect for teachers, for friends, and the most important is respect for themselves. That is more important. So like now kids, they start listening to teachers. Initially क्या होता है, नर्सरी के टीचर they crying and they are not listening. But क्या होता है, धीरे धीरे हाँ वो टीचर को समझने लगते हैं. They start learning. They wait for their turn. They care for their things, for the toys. So that is they start learning respect also. And respect is that value which can make a child very confident, very responsible. One thing I want to share, like inquiries are coming, parents are coming for the admission. So one parent was saying, मेरे बच्चे को A to Z भी आता है मैम, 1 to 10 everything for the nursery, and rhymes भी सब कुछ इसको आते हैं because digitization है, everybody is मोबाइल है, सब कुछ है, YouTube है, they are learning. तो वो कहता कि पर मुझे एक चीज़ सिखानी है, वो है डिसिप्लिन. वो डिसिप्लिन कब आएगा, जब बच्चा स्कूल में आएगा. तो स्कूल इज द बेस्ट प्लेस टू लर्न डिसिप्लिन फॉर द किड्स. फिर डिसिप्लिन होगा तो द किड विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल, बी कॉन्फिडेंट, एंड इट विल बी अ फ्यूचर, बिकॉज दीज आर द फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडिया. तो ये कुछ बातें हैं, हमें बच्चों को पढ़ाना है, नो डाउट. हमें A to Z सिखाना है, 1 to 10 सिखाना है, 1 to 20, वट एवर वी आर टीचिंग. बट टीचर्स एंड I just ask parents, just promise all together, we have to nurture these, and we have to continue to nurture these values in them. Kindness है, उनसे उनको softness पता चलेगी, generosity आएगी कि हाँ हमें help एक दूसरे की करनी चाहिए. Like कोई बीमार है और बच्चे क्या करते हैं, टीचर्स को कॉपी करते हैं, टीचर्स ऑब्जर्व करते भी होंगे. मैं एक आपको I just want to share one story with you, and it's a real story. It's an example of my school only. One day nursery teacher was on leave. तो बच्चे अटैच होते हैं टीचर से, तो he started crying. So I just went in visited the class and उनको कि थोड़ा चुप करवा दें. But I observed one girl, fellow classmate है उसके पास बैठी, and what she was saying, she was wiping her tears. कि कोई बात नहीं, मैम की तबीयत खराब है, मैम आ जाएंगे. तो मतलब इट वाज मेरी मुझे फीलिंग वो हुई कि बच्चे छोटा उसी एज का बच्चा एक को सांत्वना दे रहे कि कोई बात नहीं, जस्ट स्टॉप क्राइंग. तो आई आस्क्ड हर नेम इज ईवा. तो आई आस्क्ड हर, ईवा आपने तो मैजिक कर दिया है, इट्स अ मैजिकल थिंग कि बच्चा वो आपका फ्रेंड रोने चुप हो गया. तो व्हाट शी वाज सेइंग, मैम मेरी मैम भी ऐसे ही चुप करवाती है अगर कोई बच्चा रोता है. तो मीन्स टीचर्स आर द रोल मॉडल्स फॉर देम. आपको वो ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. आई नो एवरीबडी नोज दिस थिंग, बट मैं फोकस इस पर करना चाहती हूँ दैट वी हैव टू इम्बाइब दीज वैल्यूज. पढ़ा लेंगे हम, बच्चे पढ़ भी जाएंगे अप टू हाई लेवल डॉक्टर, वट एवर दे वॉन्ट टू बिकम. पर ये जो वैल्यूज है, हमने इन चीज़ों को नहीं भूलना है, बिकॉज वी आर द फाउंडेशन ऑफ अवर ह्यूमन. जो हमारे बच्चे बनेंगे बड़े होकर, ये अगर वैल्यूज आ गई तो दैट पर्सन वुड बी अ ब्यूटीफुल ह्यूमन. So at last हम बोलते भी हैं, like if the values are learned at early age, they will transform into habits, and habits will turn into a character, and character will decide the destiny. So we want our kids, they should flutter with confidence, with love, passion, compassion, and everything that should come in their minds. And so at last, without taking so much time, I congratulate first to our shining stars. Today is their day. They have celebrated this. Good round of applause for them. अभी उनको देखकर ही ना, उनको स्माइल देखकर ही इतना मजा आता है कि हाँ, उनको कुछ नहीं पता. Like Subi ma'am was saying, they don't know. They are dancing. मैम ने जैसी इंस्ट्रक्शन दी है, I will do. But अगर मम्मा पापा को देख लिया, बस वहीं पर रुक गए. So they are learning so many things like in this phase. So congratulations each and everyone present over here, and thank you so much that I can be the part of this program. Thank you once.
पंछी बनो उड़ती फिरूं मस्त गगन में, आज मैं आजाद हूँ दुनिया के चमन में. Our little ones are ready to soar high up with deep faith in themselves. So, let's put your hands and welcome our nursery A GSCB. Wow, what a wonderful performance!
पारुल मैम, क्या आपको पता है जब हम छोटे थे कितने खुश रहते थे?
हाँ, ना कोई चिंता, ना कोई गम, बस मस्त रहते थे अपनी धुन में।
तो चलिए आज हम हमारे नर्सरी बी जीएससीबी के बच्चों में अपने बचपन को देखते हैं और वो लम्हों को याद करते हैं।
मेरा
for expressing their growth and aspirations so gracefully. Thank you all for being here and for giving them your valuable time. Now I invite our kids for thank you dance.
देखो इन्हें ओस की बूंदें पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर नाजुक से मोती हंसने फिसल कर खो न जाएंगे
I would like to invite Mrs. Kripai Ghosh ma'am, teachers of LKG B CBSE for vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to everyone present here. On behalf of Amity Play Center, it is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this delightful occasion of Happy Week, celebrated under the beautiful theme Metamorphosis, the magic of childhood. First and foremost, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Mrs. Nidhi Kaul, for honoring us with her gracious presence today. Your inspiring word and warm encouragement have truly added meaning to this celebration. We also express our sincere thanks to the school management, their continuous support, guidance and vision which makes such enriching program possible for our children. A special and warm thank you goes out to our parents. Your cooperation, trust and constant support have been our greatest strength. Your involvement ensures that every initiative becomes a shared celebration for our children's growth. We also extend our appreciation to our teachers and support staff whose dedication, creativity and tireless effort have shaped today's performance. Their commitment brings out the best in every child. The final and biggest applause goes to our little shining stars. Children, you truly brought the stage to life today. Your energy, innocence and confidence were the real magic of Metamorphosis. Thank you, each one of you, for being a part of this beautiful day.
Thank you, ma'am. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा, तो सुर बने हमारा।
इसी गीत के साथ हम हमारे कार्यक्रम को विराम देते हैं। ये गीत सिर्फ गीत नहीं है, ये गीत के जो शब्द हैं वो बताते हैं कि हमें हमारे बच्चों को ग्रोथ देना है, उनमें जो हिम्मत है उसे बनाना है, बट इसके लिए हमें चाहिए पेरेंट्स और टीचर दोनों का सहकार। दोनों एक दूसरे से मिलकर हम हमारे बच्चों को आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं। आप सबका फिर से एक बार खूब खूब धन्यवाद।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
कैसा लगा आपको? और कुछ आइए सर, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज।
यह प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा था। एक्चुअली आज को मिल के थोड़ा अच्छा लगा कि कुछ तो कुछ मैच्योर हो रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा, मतलब डांस वगैरह करके काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। मतलब द वे शी was smiling, it was a happiness to see you like this. Very good.
And we absolutely love the effort. It was very apparent effort. It was really hard work from the teacher, and the kids surely loved. My kid was very excited. He was really happy about the entire thing. So it was a great thing that you guys did, and I absolutely loved it. Thank you so much.
बहुत अच्छा था। और कुछ क्या फीलिंग हुआ आपको? फर्स्ट टाइम मेरा थोड़ा शायद और आज मैं इसको देखा तो मुझे आई वाज लाइक इन शॉक। आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट।
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट टू ऑल टीचर्स। आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत थी और बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा हमारे बच्चों को इस तरीके से डांस करते हुए देखकर। थैंक यू सो मच।
प्रोग्राम तो अच्छा था एंड टीचर का जो इफर्ट्स है वो दिख रहा है एंड मैनेजमेंट भी इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड।
आपकी फीलिंग कैसी रही?
बहुत अच्छी।
अपने बच्चे को फर्स्ट टाइम स्टेज पे देखे कैसा फीलिंग रहा?
फीलिंग वेरी ऑसम।
ऑसम, ओके।
वेरी हैप्पी एंड we can see that our kids are becoming more and more confident and stage fear बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिखा बच्चे में आज।
They are ready to fly.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, thank you.
Only with your support.
Oh, thank you.